Hello everyone. Every tip I'm about to give comes straight from mechanics working in the shop, so there's nothing to worry about. If your Toyota suddenly shows the message, "Would you like to take a break?" with a little coffee cup icon, relax. It's not a malfunction, nothing is broken, and you don't need to rush to the shop. This alert is part of Toyota's safety system, especially on models with Toyota Safety Sense. The car isn't watching you personally, it's analyzing your driving patterns, how long you've been driving continuously, and small movements of the steering wheel. If something seems off, it suggests you take a break. Here's where many mechanics at this shop say, "But I'm not tired." And they're right. The system isn't perfect and can activate even when you feel fine. Curvy roads, strong winds, poorly marked lane lines, or just driving more than 2 hours straight can make the car think you need a break. That's why several mechanics mention that the message often pops up on long highway drives or secondary roads, even when everything feels normal. In other words, Toyota prefers to err on the side of caution and gives the warning just to be safe. Now, if the message appears and it annoys you, the good news is that you don't have to fix anything. You can simply dismiss it using the buttons on the steering wheel or the display and continue driving without issue. It doesn't leave any lights on or store errors in the computer. And if you're the type who says, "Enough, I never want to see this warning again," on many models you can adjust or disable this feature from the vehicle's menu. It's usually under driver assistance settings, fatigue monitoring, or sway alert, though the name changes depending on the model and year.